Fling AI character and roleplay app. So the new popular app which you can try, your ultimate AI partner for engaging in fluid conversations. Experience a unique connection with our AI girlfriend and boyfriend features designed to bring you closer to your virtual friend. Multiple AI companions and personalities. Explore an extensive gallery of AI companions, each with distinctive personalities, interests, and conversational styles. So, realistic conversations powered by advanced AI technology. Fling provides conversations so realistic they make you pause and wonder. Role playing adventures. Dive into a world of role playing with Fling AI. Then there is also voice messaging, group chat. Enjoy the fun of group chat with your AI friends. Character creation, interactive surprises, deepen your connection, ultra realistic photos, endless fun and exploration. So yeah, quite advanced app. Privacy dive into Fling AI, and here it is. So you can just see it in here. There's 87% off. They just offer you this deal for $45, and then you just have this account. You can claim daily reward in here, and then that's basically the idea. And then yeah, here you have your Fling scenarios. This is kind of like a role play. And then you have chats, which you can see chats in here. Then there is role play. And then yeah, then here there is a profile. You can upgrade to premium. There is $49 per year or $7 per week. You can get free coins. And then you can just chat. You can swipe between chats like that. You can explore more characters. You can find more characters. You can like characters. You can send replies. You can create a call. You can ask photo. You can send gift if you wanna, but then gift you need to pay with coins and you need to buy coins. You can also send your own photo. You can send a voice message. So very kind of minimalistic chat, but people like it. For example, in Toki AI app, this is I think there are just too many buttons, but yeah, basically there you have it. And then yeah, you can just tap to delete, and then you just delete the message if you like, and then you have your account, and then you have all the chats. You can then just swipe and then just see previous chats, and then just swipe to delete the chat. There is Discord community in top right, which you can then just open up. You can send feedback. You can delete account, delete all chats. So it's super easy to delete the account. Then if you want, you can log out, you can log in. So there are some glitches with creating an account sometimes. There are some bugs, but eventually it works. It can be overloaded a bit on weekends or when there is a big traffic. But there you have it. That's the app. So try it out.